A computer is an electronic device that processes and stores information using a combination of hardware and software components. Here's an overview of what a computer is and how it processes and stores information. 1. Definition of a computer. A computer is a programmable machine that performs various tasks by processing data according to instructions provided by software programs. It consists of hardware components, such as the CPU, memory, storage devices, input/output devices, and software components, including the operating system and applications. 2. Processing information. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It processes data by fetching instructions from memory, decoding them, executing the operations, and storing the results back in memory. Data processing involves several steps, including input, processing, output, and storage. Input. Data is entered into the computer system through input devices such as keyboards, mice, scanners, or sensors. Processing. The CPU processes the input data according to instructions provided by software programs, performing calculations, logic operations, and data manipulation. Output. Processed data is displayed or presented to users through output devices such as monitors, printers, speakers, or displays. Storage. Data and instructions are temporarily stored in memory, RAM, during processing and permanently stored on storage devices such as hard drives, solid-state drives, SSDs, or optical disks. 3. Storing information. Computers store information using both volatile and non-volatile memory. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is volatile memory that temporarily stores data and instructions while the computer is powered on. It provides fast access to data for the CPU during processing but loses its contents when power is turned off. Storage devices. Storage devices such as hard drives, SSDs, and optical disks provide non-volatile storage for data and programs. They retain their contents even when power is turned off and are used for long-term storage of files, applications, and operating systems. The operating system manages the storage of data and programs, organizing files into directories and providing access control and security features to protect data from unauthorized access or modification. 4. Hardware and software components. Hardware components. These are physical components of the computer system, including the CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, hard drives, SSDs, input devices, keyboard, mouse, output devices, monitor, printer, and networking hardware, network interface cards, routers. Software components. These are programs and instructions that tell the computer what to do. This includes the operating system, Windows, macOS, Linux, application software, Microsoft Office, web browsers, games, and system utilities, antivirus, disk management tools. 5. Interaction between hardware and software. Hardware and software work together to perform tasks and process information. Software programs provide instructions to the CPU, which executes them using hardware components. Input devices allow users to interact with software programs, while output devices display the results of processing. In summary, a computer is a complex system that processes and stores information using a combination of hardware and software components. It performs tasks by processing data according to instructions provided by software programs, temporarily storing data in memory during processing, and permanently storing data on storage devices for future use.